The alkaline lifestyle is the only lifestyle that will help you to reverse disease. Why? Because everything in you are in alkaline foods, and everything in alkaline foods are in you. Remember, the human body has 102 minerals, and when one of those minerals are depleted, your body becomes sick. If iron is depleted, you will become anemic. If calcium is depleted, you will have rickets, arthritis, or osteoporosis. If you have brain or nerve problems, you will lack carbon and copper, which is what the cells of the brain contain. The body is electrical. It moves. There could be no movement nor motion without electricity within the body. Furthermore, water is the best conductor of electricity, and we are made up of 70% of it. So if you are going to eat any food, it better be electrical, because the body can only assimilate electric foods, alkaline foods. Science calls this assimilation process chemical affinity, merely meaning something becoming one with you. You cannot put petrol in a diesel car or dead food in a living body. If you love life, why consume death? Our research is from Dr. 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞. His teachings provides us with the knowledge and understanding that we deliver to you. We do this for those who care about eating to live. Truth is truth, with or without our acceptance. Knowledge talks, wisdom listens. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel called 𝐸𝐴𝐿NTD. Love.